Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let me show you how I made this yummy, delicious, light and soft pancake. In my bowl here, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Into it, I'm going to be adding nutmeg and some chili pepper. This one is optional, but I want it spicy. I'll also add half a teaspoon of baking powder. I didn't want to add the baking powder, but on a second thought, I decided to add it. I'll mix together, set it aside, and then we mix our wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, I'll mix 4 eggs, 1 cup of evaporated milk, half a teaspoon of pineapple flavor. You can also use vanilla flavor, and 1/3 cup of sugar. Use sugar according to your preference. I'll mix together before we go to the next step. After mixing and whisking our wet ingredients very well, I'll then add our dry ingredients, that is our flour mix. Mix this gradually to combine very well. Next, I'll add some water to it and also mix. I'm using the same cup I used for milk. I'll keep adding it water until I get the consistency I want. I'll list all the ingredients and their measurements in my description box below so you can check that. And I almost forgot this my last ingredient. I'm using melted butter, a tablespoon of melted butter. After mixing in the butter very well, it is now time to fry the batter into pancakes. Into my dry pan, I'll drizzle in about half a teaspoon of vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Coconut oil is very nice for this, but I'm using vegetable oil. Then I'll scoop in some butter into it, batch by batch. Fry on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you have your pancake. You can decide to spread it in the pan as I'm doing. You can also decide to fry it like that without spreading it. And here we have our delicious and soft pancakes. You can enjoy this with any sauce of your choice or beverage or any dip of your choice or fruits also. It tasted so delicious and everyone enjoyed it. I hope you're going to give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.